Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 6 in the How to Build a Builder website series. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to change your website's name in Builderall. It's a very, very short video, but something you should probably know. So on our home page, we're going to click the Cheetah Website Builder application. We'll go to our animal rescue site. And on the My Pages section, you're going to see all the pages. On the left-hand side, we're going to go to Site Settings. And right here is the title of our website. So we're going to click here and we just simply change it to whatever website you want. You can keep the address URL. That's fine if you leave it. That's your description. You can type it in. That's just for you. You could choose to have the Builderall affiliate button on the bottom if you want people to click and get your sales through your affiliate link. CRM is, customer relations management. And what it does is it keeps track of all your leads and everyone that goes to your website and fills forms out. If you're doing a website, I would always recommend you set this to on. It's going to make it easier for you to track and make sure things are set up correctly and people are clicking things on your website. So I would just keep that selected. And then here you can choose your favicon. The favicon is the logo that appears in the corner. So right here, you can see it's a Builderall logo. You just simply choose. And at the top, it's going to tell you what you can upload and the size, up to 4 megabytes. Go ahead and click cancel. Title separator, you can keep the same. Under tablet version, make sure it's click to tablet, of course. And then choose the language of your choice. Click Save. And the new name will appear in the top. And I'll just make it easier for you to keep track. That's all for this video. Like I said, it's a very, very short one. And thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments or any video ideas, go ahead and place your comment down in the comments down below. And if you want a $1 trial, 30-day trial to Builderall, I leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link in the description. Thanks again for watching the video. Take care and have a great day.